and the answer to all my dreams. You're my sun, my moon, my guiding star.
I certainly hope you dance as well as you dress.
There's only one way to find out.
That's what you are. I know there's only one like you. There's no way they could have made two. You're all I'm living for. Your love
Do you do the whirly bird?
forevermore.
Must you even ask?
You're the first, you're the last, my everything.
Don't you know who I am?
No. But I'd like to find out.
How I wish you were here to capture my heart, not simply to capture me, Agent Argylle. I guess the whirly bird doesn't catch the worm.
Any last words?
Little help, Kira?
Who's Kira?
The girl who gave up being the next Steve Jobs to save his sorry ass.
You're welcome.